While it is true that we do not really know why the speed of light is what it is, we do know that the speed of light in vacuum, denoted as c, is about 186,000 miles per second. Yet deeper questions probe why this particular value exists in nature, rather than something else, such as 10 times faster or infinite, revealing that c is fundamentally the universe's finite universal speed limit and the conversion factor between space and time in special relativity, where every object moves through spacetime at exactly speed c as the magnitude of its forward velocity, meaning that if you are at rest in space, you are moving entirely through time at c. But if you move fast through space, some of that motion is redirected spatially, causing time dilation and length contraction. And you can never exceed c in space, because that would impossibly require more than 100% of your spacetime velocity for space alone. Ensuring mathematical consistency with only one invariant speed in Minkowski-Lorentzian spacetime, rather than Galilean or Euclidean structures. And light specifically travels at c because photons are massless, and all massless particles and fields must propagate at this invariant speed of the spacetime they inhabit, with the value itself emerging from Maxwell's equations as follows: c equals 1 divided by the square root of the product of epsilon naught and mu naught. That is 1 over the square root of the electric permittivity of free space, epsilon naught, multiplied by the magnetic permeability of free space, mu naught, these being among the universe's dimensionful fundamental constants, alongside the elementary charge, E, Planck's constant, h bar, and the electron mass, all intimately tied to the fine structure constant, alpha, approximately 1 divided by 137, which sets electromagnetic interaction strength according to the relation alpha equals E squared divided by 4 pi epsilon naught h bar c. That is, alpha equals the square of the elementary charge divided by the quantity 4 pi times epsilon naught times h bar times c, such that if alpha differed dramatically, atomic physics, chemistry, and stars would change profoundly, though physics currently lacks a deeper explanation for why epsilon naught, mu naught, alpha, or other constants hold these exact values, which seem like brute facts, potentially emerging in speculative theories like string theory, from extra-dimensional geometry, or from field vacuum expectation values without consensus predictions yet, or through anthropic multiverse reasoning, where only universes with constants in our Goldilocks range permit complex chemistry, long-lived stars, galaxies, and observers, thus explaining our presence in one where c suits life by being neither infinite nor so slow as to bind everything featurelessly. In summary, affirming a universal speed limit due to Lorentzian spacetime signature, light's attainment of it via masslessness, the numerical value of 299,792,458 meters per second as exact by SI definition, and the electromagnetic strength relative to space and time as an honest frontier mystery, but we really do not actually know why it is what it is.